Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of makeup with a spotlight on the W7 Bronze Chic Bronzer. If you're looking to achieve that perfect sun-kissed glow, this might just be the product for you. Let's explore what makes it stand out from the rest. The W7 Bronze Chic Bronzer is not just any bronzer. It's a cream bronzing balm designed to contour and highlight, giving you a natural, radiant look. Whether you prefer a subtle hint of bronze or a deeper, more defined glow, this product promises versatility suitable for all skin tones. Firstly, let's talk about its formulation. This bronzer boasts a highly pigmented, buildable formula. What does that mean for you? It means you can customize your tan from a light, buttery glow to a more intense bronze without looking overdone. Its lightweight, matte finish ensures it stays put all day. No need for constant touch-ups. Perfect for both face and body, it blends seamlessly into the skin, leaving behind a flawless, natural sun-blushed effect. Now, let's discuss how to use it. Applying the W7 Bronze Chic Bronzer is easy. Grab a soft brush, tap it gently into the palette, and sweep along your cheekbones, jawline, and around the perimeter of your face. Blend in small, gentle circles to diffuse any harsh lines, achieving that professional, airbrushed finish effortlessly. What sets this bronzer apart is not just its quality but also its ethos. Designed by professional makeup artists in London, W7 Cosmetics prides itself on creating products that are not only high quality but also suitable for sensitive skin. Plus, it's vegan-friendly and cruelty-free, no animals harmed in the making of your beauty. Whether you're new to makeup or a seasoned pro, the W7 Bronze Chic Bronzer deserves a spot in your beauty arsenal. It's affordable, effective, and backed by rave reviews from users worldwide. If you're ready to elevate your glow game, give it a try and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. That wraps up today's review on the W7 Bronze Chic Bronzer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews and beauty tips here on Product Critique. Until next time, stay beautiful.